Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Google Wallet. So let's get started right away. If you haven't already installed the Google Wallet application, first of all open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store on your device and then tap on the search box and then type in a Google Wallet and start your search. Once you find the Google Wallet application, tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Google Wallet application on your device. Now, once the installation is done, you will see the open button which you can tap on to open up Google Wallet right away. Now, since Google Wallet works with your Google account, if you have signed in to your Google account on your device, then you will automatically be asked to choose your active Google account. Simply click on the Google account that you wish to use, and once you select it, you will automatically be logged into your Google Wallet account. And now, once you are logged in or signed up, you can click on the Add to Wallet button and start adding your payment information as well as various other information. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.